So you want to put on a workshop? Yes I do. And I see from the title it's called Commanding a Room. So is this like being a teacher, maybe accepting an award or something like that? It's more about having fun and getting people to pay attention to you. I can see why you would need a workshop for that. Tell me more about it. It's about using your voice, your body, and the space around you to create impactful performances. Why are you shouting at me? I'm not shouting, I'm projecting my voice. It sounds like shouting. Now what are you doing? I'm communicating with my body. Could you dial that down a bit? It's making me a little uncomfortable. And then there's the use of space. So how does that help? By using the space, you can construct a world for people to believe in. So what would someone taking your workshop get out of it? Pardon? What would they learn? It will help strengthen their presentation skills. Presentation skills are vital in a collaborative world where you'll need to get people on board with your ideas. Presentation skills, who are these people? You mean like corporate bosses, finance managers, people like that? More like future entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs? Entrepreneurs. 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 One-two-penners. People who turn good ideas into successful businesses. Okay, right. So, if I want to become one of these one of these successful people, I need to learn how to command a room. Right. Through voice, body, emotion, and space. And this will be a hands-on workshop with games and improv exercises. Sounds like fun? It is fun. Sounds like it. Thanks. So let's get this workshop going. How do people sign up? Just follow the link. Follow the link. The link.